Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's episode, I figured I would share with you guys my favorite protein bar recipe. It takes only a few ingredients and it comes together really fast, so you really have no excuse to not make it and try it out. So if you guys love these healthy recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So like I mentioned, this protein bar comes together so fast that you will be like, what? Is this really considered a recipe? But I figured I'd go ahead and share with you guys the exact, ingredients and the exact ratio of all the ingredients and play around with the base and add and take out things as you like. But it's a good starting point. It's what I make all the time along with my Date Lara bar dupes that I'll also link in the description box because those are also very delicious and very easy to make. I kind of went on this path to try to make my own protein bars after looking at protein bars at Costco, realizing how spendy they can be, and then the long list of ingredients. And I figured it really can't be that hard to make these things on my own with, things that I know and trust. So I decided I would try it out. I'm very happy with the results. They take no time to make, only a handful of ingredients, and you're done, and you have a delicious protein bar to snack on when you get a little hungry or you need like a post or pre-workout bar. All I did was take a big bowl, add some rolled oats to it, a little bit of salt, some peanut butter. I like to use the all-natural peanut butter, so it is a little bit liquidy. And then I added my favorite protein powder at the moment, which is the Orgain one that I showed you guys in my last haul from Costco. Now you can use whatever type of protein powder that you want. Mine is a chocolate flavor, so this is going to be like a chocolate peanut butter protein bar. But if you guys have a favorite one, you can use that instead. Just as a warning, my protein powder is completely vegan, so it's only plant-based protein, so I'm not really sure with whey or animal protein how it's going to react and if you can get the same consistency, but do try it out. Let me know in the comments if it works out for you so that I can tell my viewers to do the same and that it will work across all protein powders. But for me, I like to use the plant-based one because it gives me the best results. And then I go ahead and add a handful of mini chocolate chips. This is the part where you can play around with it. You can add chocolate chips, you can add some dried fruits, maybe cherries, blueberries, whatever. Get creative with it. Do the things that you like to have in your own protein bar, and that way you'll eat it and you'll really enjoy it. So that's really it. I just mix that all around and then I put it in a pan that I've lined with some wax paper so that I can take it out easily. And then I just pop it in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's it, just to let it settle down. You can cut it into whatever shape that you want. I like to cut it into bar shapes and then put it in little snack size Ziploc bags so that they're easy to pick up and go. But whatever you want, I've shown different various ways when I made my Lara bar video on how to wrap it if you want it to be more minimalistic. But that is it. See how easy it is? It comes together so fast with so very little ingredients. All right, there you guys go. That is my favorite DIY at home, no bake, peanut butter chocolate protein bar. Absolutely enjoying it. Saves you money and the time of going out and buying them on your own. Instead, you can make it at home and know exactly what goes into it. So if you guys like protein bars and at-home hacks, just please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.